So Calum, Braveheart, what an amazing band and what an amazing year you've had. Is it looking good for the rest of 2017?
Well, we've not long finished our tour in the UK, and later in the year we've got some European gigs, going to Europe, which will be great, going to Sweden actually, and then there for about 2 weeks, and then we're going to be going straight from Sweden to Lorient, and the Lorient Festival is actually having its Year of Scotland, so we're going to be there for about 7 days straight. There'll be lots of piping and mussels and fries.
And your latest album, A Star, that's an amazing album. Of course, it won the Album of the Year at the MG Alba Scots Trad Music Awards. Was that a lot of work to make that album?
It was definitely a lot of fun working on Aster, Braebuck's current album. You know, for a lot of reasons, but I suppose getting to work with Greg Lawson, who produced it. Greg's such an exciting guy, and musically he's just such a dynamic and exciting person to be around. He brought a lot, and on top of that, were our international guests. It was really quite a different experience for us in the studio, the lead up to it, and we were very kind of honoured to be able to perform it with our international guests at Celtic Connections at the start of 2017. So yeah, we've had a pretty colourful time since releasing Aster.
So, and what are your thoughts on the next album? Have you thought about that at all? Do you know what you want to do next?
The next album is always a big question. I think we'll be looking to take steps in a new direction, but we haven't figured out exactly what that is yet. I think what we did with Aster, we felt very happy about the journey that took us on, so perhaps we'll continue on that journey and see where it leads.
And finally, Man's Ruin. Is there going to be a new album from them? Because that was such an amazing band.
A new album is an adventurous suggestion, Simon. I think we're looking to get some more gigs in. Everybody in the band has projects and bands and albums and responsibilities, and when you start looking at the 5 calendars, it's very difficult, and a lot of bands will know all about that situation. But we are looking to do some more gigs. We have recently met up and been working on new material, so that's really exciting, and I'm sure there'll be more to come from Man's Ruin later in the year.